Hi, I'm Janina, and this is a quick guide to highlighting with our Skin Glow Stick Highlighter and Skin Glow Powder Highlighter. Now, these are two totally different formulas. One is an ultra refined, silky smooth powder that delivers that instant glow, and the other is a creamy stick highlighter that delivers that beautiful golden glazed effect. I love using Skin Glow Stick Highlighter on drier skin types because of its conditioning and moisturizing benefits. And Skin Glow Powder Highlighter on oilier skin types, combination skin types because of its staying power. The Skin Glow Stick Highlighter can be applied with your favorite Glo Skin Beauty face brush, your fingers, from the bullet itself. I personally love to use fingers. With highlighting powders, I love using a soft, lightweight, fluffy brush for a little bit more control. I'm just layering both. I mean, look at that. You can see this highlighter from the heavens. This is when you want a little bit more of a dramatic effect. Just layer the cream under the powder, and this is the effect you get. And you can always customize. Build your highlighter into your cream blush for an amazing glowing flush. I'm using the contour highlighter brush to apply, and look at this amazing payoff. It's incredibly easy, and you can always create a beautiful monochromatic look with this combo on your eyes, cheeks, and your lips. And this is the result: fresh glowing skin all year round.